In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to deposit assets on the HTX app to your account. Firstly, open the HTX app on your device and log into your account. Go to the Wallet or Assets tab. Then choose the asset you want to deposit and then tap Deposit. You can choose Tether, USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. Copy the deposit address or scan the QR code and then initiate a transfer from your external wallet or exchange to this address. Now, all you have to do is confirm the transaction and wait for it to complete. It won't take so much time. Now, all you have to do is wait, and when it arrives, check your HTX wallet for the updated balance. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.